Hey everyone. So, yesterday I put out an all call on X for people to give me tips on how I could record a simple video to send to a client now that Flip is unavailable. As a Microsoft girl and someone who has been using the entire suite of tools for a very long time, I had thought about Stream. But what I hadn't thought about is the fact that Stream could do everything I needed Flip to do in such an easy and accessible way. So I wanted to share that with you all because I think this is worth pointing out. Again, it is not a Flip replacement, but it does give us an opportunity in Microsoft accounts to get really some very, very similar features and an opportunity to still create easy, quick videos with the Flip camera. So I'm actually doing a screen recording in Stream right now, and I'm also showing Stream in another tab. So it's a little bit of Stream inception. But basically, there are a few options here right off the bat. One is to upload a video that you already have. One is to create a screen recording, which is what I'm doing right now. The other is to make a camera recording. Now, a playlist is for you to put together a accumulation of videos. Playlists have a little bit of interesting permissions. You really need to make sure that everyone has access to the videos, not just the playlist. So I recommend hosting videos in a playlist in a team where everyone has access, or maybe in a OneDrive where you've shared access, because just creating the playlist doesn't mean people have access to the videos, unlike YouTube, because of the security that's just a part of Microsoft 365. So let's take a look at camera recording and what that might look like. And I'm going to jump now into making a camera recording in Stream so you can check it out with me. So now I'm in Stream doing just a straight camera recording. This is using my webcam, my microphone, and all the things I would normally use to join a Teams meeting or whatever. This is on my PC, just sitting here in my home office. You can see on screen I have the ability to add backdrops, all sorts of different options here, stills and videos, or even upload my own. I also have the tools that I'm used to having in the Flip camera. So I can add text or drawings, I can add stickers to my space, decorate what's going on. I can add filters to my video. So let's grab I'll Be Breezy, memory, lots of fun options here. I can also go in and add frames. This is something that I've been doing for a while. It just kind of adds a splash of fun to my video space. I can also add a board. And a board is something that gives me the opportunity to give maybe a little instruction to students or even just on-screen text in a really clean way. I can also add a photo here, so drag and drop from your device. Once I'm done recording, I can review and actually add more pieces just like the standard Flip cam. So be thinking about ways that you would normally use the Flip camera, but now it's just kind of in a different environment. So let me show you what this looks like after I've finished my video. Okay, so now my file is in Stream and it's just a file. It's a WebM file, which means I can download it and put it in YouTube. I can leave it in Stream. I can put it in a Teams file space. I can put it in a OneDrive. It's actually in my own personal OneDrive right now. So there's a lot of options now built into Stream that I want to make sure everyone's aware of. The first one is I can set a thumbnail. That just makes me happy. Go make something with Microsoft Designer and drop it in here. But there's some accessibility options that are pretty powerful. For example, it will auto-generate a transcript for you based on the language that it scans with the AI, and then you can edit those captions if they're not dead on. You can also create auto chapters. So if you have a pretty long video or you just want to break it up into sections, you can choose to turn this on, and then you get the power to choose which chapters go where and how you break up your video. You can also allow for comments. So comments would be made by anyone that has permission to view your video. I haven't shared this video yet and it's sitting in my OneDrive. So right now, no one has access to it. But as soon as I share it, that means that people have permission to view it and potentially add comments. I can also check analytics. So if my video has been viewed, if it was finished, how many views, things like that. I also have some additional features that are just built into Stream. So this is just all a part of the tool that frankly I forget about, even though I use Stream quite a bit to host my internal videos. I definitely use transcripts and captions and thumbnails a lot, but I don't often need to go look at a click count, but some of you might, so I want to point that out. The other thing I can do from here now, get out of the video settings, I can further edit my video. I can use Copilot to give me some information about this video. So if someone else has a video they're sharing with me, I can go get more information about that, read the transcript. Here, let's take a look at that. This is exactly what I said, and that's searchable. I can also download the transcript file. I can look at what people did inside the video. So just kind of a shout out here, I can also add questions throughout the video via Microsoft Forms. So it's kind of like Edpuzzle or what we had with Office Mix. Now I haven't added this in, so it's not going to show up here right now. My comment section, of course, my settings, and my analytics. Now, how would I get this to other people? There's a couple of things I can do here. One is just to copy this entire Stream video to a shared space, a shared OneDrive folder, a team, even a SharePoint site. I can do that with just a couple of clicks. I can also choose to share this video with anyone that I choose around the entire world. I can make a publicly available URL for anyone to view, or I can do something just inside my school or organization. So I hope this gives you just a little bit of an idea of how I could use Stream really easily to create content that I can share with anyone using the tools I'm already used to, like the flip camera and my OneDrive functions. So that's it from me.